Alright, so in this video, I'm going to create basic calculator that uses the MDAS operation, meaning it can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So first, I display the title using print just to let the user know what the program is about. Then I'm going to print out to display to let the user select an operations. It can be plus, minus, asterisk for multiplication, and slash for division. Then I ask the user to enter 4 numbers using the input function. So I use float to convert them so the calculator can handle both whole numbers and decimals. Next, the user is asked to choose an operator, either plus, minus, multiply, or divide. So he can select an operator. It can be plus, minus, asterisk for multiply, then divide for division again. After that, I use an if, else statement to check what operator the user picked. If the user choose plus signs, the program add all 4 numbers and prints the sum. Then let's check it out the result. So here I plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal 12. So that's basic math. So next is with the elif operator equals to minus sign. So kapag in-input ni user is minus sign, ito yung i-print nyo na result. Kung sa addition ay sum, sa minus naman is difference. Then elif again for operator. If the user input asterisk sign, i-multiply nito yung result. So i-multiply nito yung 4 na numbers. Then i-print out yung result. So print out natin para makita yung output. So let's input the first number 3 5 6 7. So result is negative 15 kasi 4 na number is minus natin. Next is if operator equals to slash, which is for divide. So before we print it, maglagay tayo ng condition if number is, kumbaga pag si user nag-divide siya ng 0 to 0 to 0, ang ipiprint nito is error. Para ma-avoid yung division ng 0 kasi magkukos lang siya ng error and walang result na makukuha. Then else statement. So pag nag-input siya ng 0, ang lalabas doon is print error. Division by 0 is not allowed. Then another else statement, kapag si user is nag-input siya ng invalid operators, then please try again ang lalabas. Let's select pala. Then print na natin. As you can see, may error, which is the colon. Rerun the program again, and there's an error again, which is the indentation, yung alignment ng code natin. So very sensitive talaga siya sa Python. So rerun na natin yung program, nag-work na siya, na-fix na yung error, then enter first number 3 4 6 7. Then select an operator, use natin yung plus. So as you can see, lumabas yung sum. Then rerun ulit natin yung program, gamit tayo ng ibang operator. This time is minus. As you can see, lumabas ulit yung result, which is the difference is negative 14. Next, rerun ulit natin yung program, and this time gamitin naman natin yung asterisk for multiplication. So 8, 9, 10, 11 times, then result is 7,920. Next, gamitin naman natin yung slash sign for division. So let's enter a number. Then there's an error because I forgot to put the result for numbers. So result equal num1 divided by num2 divided by num3, then divide num4, then rerun ulit natin yung program. I'm pretty sure our program will run correctly this time. Divide. So you can see lumabas na yung result niya. The quotient is 0. And ang haba ng decimal numbers niya. Then gamitin ulit natin divide. Then ayun, gumagana na siya. So this basic calculator takes 4 numbers, check which operator you selected and performs the correct operation based on it. As you can see in this program, pag nag-input tayo ng plus, minus, asterisk, slash, lumalabas yung result neto. And yung ginawa ng if else statements dito is chinek neto yung multiple conditions to decide which message to display. As you can see, marami tayong conditions dito. So that's all for this video about basic calculator. Thanks for watching.